Hi, my name is Brenna Buuck and I'm the developer evangelist here at StreamSets. I'm a former and current data engineer, and in this series we're exploring the moments where the value of StreamSets becomes apparent to the user. In this particular video, I want to introduce the concept of StreamSets' consistent user experience. Regardless of the pattern, engine, origin, or destination, the user experience in StreamSets is exactly the same. Let me show you what I mean. So this pipeline that we're looking at is taking data from Snowflake, doing some stuff to it, and sending it back into Snowflake. It's using our transformer for Snowflake engine. But you'll notice that the layout and the design of this pattern looks very similar to this pipeline, which is using our data collector engine and a Oracle origin using CDC to send the data into Snowflake, which in turn looks very similar to this pattern where we're connecting to a mainframe using our Connex connector and sending the data into Snowflake, which in turn looks very similar to this pattern and this design where we're taking data from a MySQL database, doing some stuff to it, and sending it to Databricks, which in turn looks very similar to this layout and design where we're taking data from a SQL server, doing some stuff to it, and sending it into Salesforce. So hopefully you'll get the impression that regardless of the pattern, the origins, or the destination, or the engine that you choose to use with StreamSets, your design pattern, your environment will be exactly the same. And why is this important? It's because inconsistency in design slows data teams down. With StreamSets' unified user experience, your data team only has to learn to design one time, and then you can hit the ground running developing pipelines catered to your specific organization's need.